everybody, welcome back to another video. It's been a while indeed. Today we will be playing Dead by Daylight with the Hillbilly, because I'm a big fan of the Hillbilly, you know. And right now I'm just leveling him up. I'm trying to get him the Prestige 2 right now. I'm currently Prestige 1, level 12. I actually really big fan. Oh, I want this. Let's see, did it automatically level it up? Yes, it did. Alright. Now, next we're gonna do that. I like that. Okay. Alright. I don't know what that really does, but my brother said it's really OP and I should use it. So I'm using that with hot barbecue chili, which I got from the little store thing with these points. Using hot barbecue chili and then Lightborn, because it's very amusing when people try to flash me. They're just pointing that flashlight at me and I'm just still walking forward. We're just gonna currently wait 10 minutes of this video searching for a match. So let me show you my customizations. I can only have the 5th anniversary crown because I don't have anything else, if I'm gonna be honest with you. I just started playing yesterday. I got this stuff. I don't understand how I got some 2016. Blood token. Blood-soaked hammer, which you get from Prestige 1. I can't wait for Prestige 2 to get bloody advanced. Hopefully Prestige 2 gives me the upper part, because that'd be pretty cool, not gonna lie. Yeah, I have all these hammers. I don't really want to buy cosmetics, but you know what I do want to buy? I want to get Legion. Legion is a character I really want to play, because I'm a big fan of the whole Legion aesthetic. Oh, only 2 minutes! But yeah, Legion is like the Purge, you know? I feel like they were heavily... But is that Black John Constantine? Either ways, the Legion, I feel like we're heavily inspired off the Purge, since they're people that don't really want to follow the rules and stuff like that. So, and the whole mask thing, I feel like they're just based off the Purge, and I'm a big fan of it. I can't wait to get the No One Escapes Death one. That's gonna be fun. It's July 3rd. Why are people setting off fireworks? What does that cake do? Wait, what did that cake do? I wasn't paying it fire. What map is this? Halloween! Yes! Really, Train? You gotta be a mood. I'm a big fan of this map, even though it's extremely annoying. But I'm a big fan of it, nonetheless. The one thing that will sell people out a lot is running, because I just see the... Hey, a totem. Because I just see their chicken scrap. Rolling around at the speed of sound. You might want to run out of this house. If I learn where this gosh darn. Does this trigger you? I feel like they're gonna be hiding. Yeah, you see. They weren't hiding. That just automatic. Well, they probably went up here and handled it. Well, they're definitely doing some sort of generator. You think they'd come back? This is annoying! I didn't even know that was... Hey, buddy! Jump down, why don't ya? Hey, buddy, wanna be my first kill? Hey, no, you slow down. You slow down. You're gonna be my first kill, whether you like it or not. You're gonna be my first kill. right next to a hook, too. It's almost like you want me to kill you. Hold still, buddy. No, buddy. Stop running, and I'll let you off the hook with ease. Alright? No, who am I kidding? You're not getting off the hook. Come on. You know you like the hook. Oh, Jesus, only 2 generators left? Oh, my, I didn't even realize that. Oh, I got Black John Constantine, so. Who really cares? I've been working on this generator recently. Okay, so one guy's all the way over there. I see. Hey, buddy, you're dead now. 2 generators left. Holy God, I can't believe it. I feel like people are... I don't want to camp, but at the same time, I don't want him to get off the hook, you know? A train! Hey, buddy. How you doing, girlie? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd she go? Where'd she go? I don't care that you did that. I'm looking for this chick. Where'd she go? Oh, you whore! Oh, you saved him, didn't you? Wait a second. That's when they like drop down. Are you in here? Hey. Body! Gromit, we've got to hide the body. Wait, oh, he ran. He just hauled ass. Broke the generator, ran. Just basically. Fascinating. Found him! It's like a big game of, like, murder mystery or something. Except the murderers. No, no, don't disappear, chicken scratch it. Oh my God, just 1 generator left. This highly annoys me. This generator. What? Oh my God. They've got to be down here. I feel like they're going to be working on that one behind me that they just failed to like get the better one. But first, I'm gonna... No one's been working on this for a while. That's gonna be the final generator. The one in that basement right there. Whee! Hey, girlie. I don't think you can run from me, girlie. No, no! Oh, I wanna get at least 1 kill before I just lose this. Oh, thank Jesus. Okay. 1 kill coming right up. I dare some of the flashlight. Stop squirming, you're dead. There we go. 1 over there, 1 over there. So there's 1 at each. And I think he might try to play hero. Hey, Black John Constantine, how you doing? Yeah, not worth it. He's gonna try to escape. Someone's gonna save this chick. So who wants to try the run? See you. Hey, wide. No, fuck! No, fuck! Come on, come on, come on. Tunnel to the mast. Just get him away. Come on! Oh, thank God! Ooh. Get out of my way! Get out of my way! You're not escaping me, girl! wanna try to save her still? Fine, you want just run. No, you don't. I saw you at the corner of my eye. You're not safe. There you are, Black John Constantine! Stop wiggling, Black John Constantine. He's gonna get out. He's gonna get out of me. I just know it. This might not be his final hook. It's his final hook. Alright, so I at least have one kill. And this is my final kill for you. You should probably just run. You know. I'm just saying, Dwight. Everyone else is gone. No one's gonna save you if you continue to be a hero. You know, I got my 2 kills. You know, East and Leo just booked it. They weren't having any. They didn't want to save. You know what I'm talking about? He just had enough of it. And there's Whee! Riddle killer, I'll take it, you know. I didn't get all 4. I didn't get all 4 of the kills. Alright. But hey, look at the bright side. Yeah. Why are there so many fireworks on the 3rd of July? You know what? 50% is a good number. You know? So let's try our best to get to level 15. What is this? Down. I'm at least gonna get the level 14. Level 14, I'll take it. Bitter moment. Any other 3000s? There we go. Oh yeah, baby. I say we get the level 15. For us, it's just a challenge. Actually, I don't think there we go. Let's get to level 15 right now. I'm just gonna slowly go up this category. The obsession. Epilogue. Complete the mission. Okay, okay. Now then, let's get down to level 15. Baby. Level 15. Is that what I'm looking for? Is Sloppy Butcher good? I do not know. Oh, you whore. You whore. Let's buy another 3,000 then. About that. So let's go to... But as you see my kill list, I only have 5. And these are the free ones. I want to get Legion. Do I have enough for Legion? No, he's 9,000. Yeah, Legion would be pretty cool in my opinion. I think the leader's Frank. Where's the skull mask? Suspended Julie. Frank, can you even get the different ones? Susie. So yeah, Susie is this one. Joey's the masked. This is the one I want. This is the one. Devil May Care, which is Joey. Is that all though for Joey? Morbid Grin. So that's all in the mask category. It's either Frank or Julie. No, here's Susie. I don't know the names to it, but I do know that this one right here is Joey. I'm not good with names. But yeah, I want to get this guy. My favorite one so far is Joey. That's true. Alright. Prestige 1, level 15. Tier 6 unlocked. Alright, what do we have for tier 6 of this? Absolutely nothing. Wow, I take that with pride. Either ways, guys, if you want to see more Dead by Daylight videos, Minecraft videos, Roblox video, why the fuck did I say Roblox? I don't like Roblox. If you like any of the videos I make, let me know in the comments below. I'm gonna be out of here. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. I don't know what else to say. I'm gonna go eat some ice cream. I don't know. It's way too hot out. July 3rd. People blowing fireworks all of a sudden, you know. Huh. Maybe I'm the problem, Bat.